Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you which fuse to check in case your turn signal lights or hazard lights are not working. This video will apply to 30th generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the turn signal lights fuse will be located in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel, just behind this black cover. So you want to pull this cover gently towards yourself to access the fuses. In the bottom left corner there is a fuse puller you can use to remove the fuse, and also on the back side of the cover there is a small fuse diagram which you can use to check the location of any fuse you need. And the fuse you want to check is this small 15 amp blue fuse at the bottom of the fuse box. If this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to check first you want to make sure the light bulbs are good. You want to check the switches, test the switches, and then you want to check the wiring and electrical connections at the bulbs. You also want to make sure that the sockets are nice and clean and not corroded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.